Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Subaru XV remote battery. Start by gathering a flat pry tool, a replacement CR 2032 battery, and a steady workspace. Use the pry tool to open the fob seam gently, avoid metal contact with the circuit, then remove the old battery with plastic tweezers. Insert CR 2032 positive side up, snap the case closed, test remote buttons, and recheck contacts if the remote still fails. Gather your tools before you start to keep the process smooth and quick. A thin plastic pry tool, CR 2032 battery, and plastic tweezers are ideal to avoid damage. A microfiber cloth and rubbing alcohol help clean contacts if needed. Working on a flat, well-lit surface prevents lost parts and frustration. Have the car unlocked so you can test the remote immediately after replacing the battery to confirm success. Start by removing any emergency key and prying the fob gently along its seam. Lift the cover and note the battery orientation before removing the old CR 2032 with plastic tweezers. Clean the contact points if they show corrosion, then place the new battery positive side up and press the case back until it clicks. Test the lock and unlock buttons at a short distance to verify the replacement worked and the remote transmits correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.